Imagine turning your computer's idle time into a source of income by mining cryptocurrency. Well, welcome to the world of crypto mining, where individuals can earn digital assets by contributing their computing power. Today, in this video, we'll explore how you can start mining cryptocurrencies using platforms like NiceHash. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so welcome back to the channel, you guys. We got something super exciting for you. I would like to introduce you to none other than NiceHash. And if you guys don't know anything about crypto mining, I'm just going to tell you right now that it involves validating transaction on the blockchain network. We're talking about a process that requires substantial computational power. You heard that correct, you guys. Now, in return for your effort, or let's say for miners, their efforts, miners actually receive cryptocurrency rewards. So platforms like this, known as NiceHash, they simplify this overall process basically by connecting miners with buyers of hashing power, so making it accessible even for beginners. So you guys will actually see it right here. You got many different ways that you're going to be able to do this. Okay, so we're talking about, we got mining with ASIC. All right, that's actually like an actual physical miner that runs by itself. Then we even have GPU, CPU, as in doing it all with your computer. All right, so you guys can actually see right here, it does support ASIC, GPU, and CPU mining with over 30 different algorithms supported. NiceHash is a go-to platform for all types of miners, hobbyists, or institutional mining farms. All right, so you guys, let me tell you basically really quick that NiceHash, this is actually a leading cryptocurrency platform that offers a comprehensive ecosystem for mining, hash rate, and payment solutions. Okay, so you can literally do everything right here, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, so with that being said, I want you guys to understand that it operates on an open marketplace connecting, say, sellers, also known as miners, and buyers of hashing power. So with NiceHash, you can actually start mining cryptocurrencies without the need for extensive technical knowledge or expensive hardware setups. All right, you guys can actually see right here, they do actually have mining software, which is actually pretty cool. In-house developed mining solutions that are tailored to your needs, tailored UX for GPU and ASIC farms. So easy to use, remote monitoring and management, and we even have optimized for maximum output. And you guys can even see right here, we got algorithms, they got live stats. We'll actually take a look at the marketplace here in a little bit, and they even provide this nice little calculator, okay, which is actually really cool. So you can actually see right here, we got algorithms. So obviously there's a lot, okay, which is cool. You got to find the one that works best for you. And we got hash, and then we even have unit, okay? And you're going to be able to go to, say, you can even do device if you'd like to, device comparison, but you can just kind of like click here for calculate, and you can actually see what it's going to provide you. All right, so for example, this one going to provide a total of about 62 euros per day, right? And then per month, you can actually see that right there, right? At about what is that, 1600? That's actually really good. All right, so you guys can see right here, you're going to be able to easily start mining now. As stated, they do provide a lot of different things. We even have easy mining. So you guys, whenever it comes to, say, the overall interface here, I'm going to tell you right now, it's definitely a user-friendly interface, which is great, okay? But more importantly, I want you guys to understand, NiceHash technically provides an intuitive platform that does simplify the mining process for, say, all of their users, especially across all experience levels, right? Which is what you'd like to, you know, what you would like, especially for something like this, okay? Now, if we take a look here, you guys can even see they do have a live marketplace, right? And you can see right here, so you can start with 0.001 Bitcoin, no contract, fastest delivery possible, valid shares only, accurate real-time statistics, and we have mine or your favorite pool. And we even have right here, you guys can actually see right here, most popular algorithms. So literally all you're going to be able to do, I mean, if you can buy equipment, right, it's very expensive and it's also confusing, but you can literally just buy hash power and let it do all the work for you, right? Pretty easy and simple, right? So they typically have what is known as profit switching. So we're talking about the system automatically targets the most profitable coin to mine, maximizing your earnings, which is actually really cool. physical. And they even got a lot of comprehensive tools. So for example, they offer in-house developed mining solutions tailored to your needs, including remote monitoring and management. All right. Then they even have competitive fees. So obviously, you guys, if you actually go right up here, you can go to what is known as sign in, just to show you really quick. You're going to be able to sign in, right? So technically I've already done this. I actually used my email account just so you guys can actually see exactly how this works. But you guys will see right there, pretty easy and simple. And then it's going to ask you for a code, right? So let's actually go here to our email. We should get another code. So there it is. So you guys will actually see right here, you're going to get a code. All right. You need to make sure that you go through all the information, right? It's going to be very important. Okay. So let's go ahead and copy and paste and verify. Okay. You can even set up a 2FA, which is easy. But remember, you guys, I want you guys to understand they do have competitive fees, which is great, right? Which is really awesome. But you guys will actually see right here, we got mining status 0, no rigs connected, right? Physical, right? Equipment. And we even have active Hashpower orders. We even have recent activity. You can actually go right here to Hashpower Marketplace. But before you do that, you're going to be able to go up here. You're actually going to be able to make a deposit, right? You can see right here, you're going to be able to deposit, show Bitcoin address, proceed, right? And you guys can see right here. I mean, obviously, you know, go through all this information. So I am the beneficial owner of the assets to be used. So you guys will see that right there. Okay. So yeah, you want to make sure that you go through this little process, continue on the device. You definitely need to get what is known as verified, right? You need to go through the KYC process to get yourself started, but you're going to be able to deposit once you officially do that. They even have the same thing for withdrawal. But if you go right here, you can go to Hashpower Marketplace and you guys can see exactly how it works. So as stated, yes, competitive fees, you guys, they do offer in-house developed mining solutions tailored to your needs as stated. But I want you guys to understand whenever it comes to NiceHash's, say, their fee structure, it is designed to be cost effective, especially for large scale miners. Okay. So you guys can actually see right here. All right. We got total available speed, and then we got another one right over here. And you can actually go to enable buying. But once again, you guys, you got to make sure that you actually go through the KYC process. Okay. That's what you need to do. Okay. And you're going to be able to enable buying. So placing orders is currently disabled in your account. So you have to go through the KYC process as stated to basically be able to get that, which is awesome. Right. And not only that, you guys, security measures, right? So KYC, not only that, they even have the 2FA, right? Let me actually go back there again. There it is. You can enable 2FA. So they do have robust security protocols to protect your assets and data. Okay. If you're looking to earn some passive income, you guys, it's pretty easy and simple. Okay. Make sure you go through the process. All right. You guys can see everything right here. I mean, it's awesome. It's great. And I want you guys to understand, I mean, you literally don't have to do much. All you got to do is set up an account. Okay. Go through the KYC process, deposit, and start buying hashing power, right? That's it. Okay. So yeah, check it out. Check out the links down below, you guys. Big opportunity here. Pretty cool, pretty awesome. You even see right here, they even have other things. You can simply go to buy package. They even got what is known as mass buy, right? My active package. We even have my completed packages. We even have wallets. You guys can see right there, you're gonna be able to just like buy packages, right? And you can see they're actually really cheap. Okay. Remember, you can start off with like what, 0.0001 Bitcoin, I think it was, if I'm correct. So anyways, or yeah, right here. So you can actually see that. Okay. So awesome. That's like $10. Okay. So super cheap. All right. You can even see right here, they even allow you to buy crypto. So if you actually don't have any Bitcoin, you can simply just go through this process. It looks like you can actually use fiat, right? Which is good. Okay. And then they even got what is known as shop. You can visit the shop and stuff. All right. So check it out. Go through it. You guys log in, sign up. Once again, you're going to have to make sure that you use your email, real email, and go through the process. All right. We'll see you later. So yeah, as I have mentioned, you guys, the links, they are going to be down below in the description. It's going to be very important that you check out NiceHash. Why? Well, it's passive income, right? Secure, right? They have all the security measures, user friendly, low fees, right? Very competitive, and it's a click of a button. Just click buy it. That's it. Let it work. Let it do its own thing, and you're going to be able to receive some rewards while you're doing it. So check it out. We'll see you later. Have a beautiful one.